Animation picture. Now we're going to show you the animation picture display function by generating a built-in animation project. So the basic idea is, when you start up the equipment, the screen will display the following pictures one by one, and then stop at the main page. Now let's begin. Click the Animation Picture Display button. Select an area on page 0. The key parameter is Start Picture Position, Stop Picture Position, and Display Time. We like the animation to show the picture one by one from number 30 to number 38. So we will set the start and stop position. The display time will be 200 milliseconds per picture. So we shall set 20 here. After made all sets down, we can save the project, generate config file, and use the effect preview function to check